In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zendrop to TikTok Shop. If you're looking to streamline product sourcing and automate order fulfillment, connecting Zendrop can make your workflow smoother and save you time. I'll walk you through the exact path inside TikTok Shop and share a few tips so nothing gets missed. First, open your TikTok Shop seller account. Make sure you're signed into the correct store you want to link. It helps to use a stable internet connection and, if possible, a desktop browser or the official seller app so the interface loads cleanly. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you have the permissions to install apps on this account, especially if you're part of a team. Next, look for the growth section. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find growth in the left sidebar or across the top navigation. Click growth to open the tools that help you expand your store's capabilities. Inside growth, select App Store. This is where TikTok Shop lists trusted integrations that can connect directly to your store. In the App Store, go to the search bar and type Zendrop. Be precise with the spelling to make sure the correct result shows up. If Zendrop is available in your country, it will appear in the results. Availability can vary by region, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes it just means it hasn't launched in your area yet, and you can check back later. Once Zendrop appears, click Install. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. TikTok Shop may ask you to review what the integration can access, such as managing products or syncing orders, so take a moment to read each permission and confirm it matches what you intend to do. You may also be asked to confirm which store you're connecting and to authorize the connection so the two platforms can communicate securely. After you complete the prompts, the installation will finalize. You should see Zendrop marked as installed in your App Store or be redirected to a setup page where Zendrop can guide you through any final details. If a confirmation banner appears, that's a good sign everything linked correctly. If you don't see Zendrop in your installed apps right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. That's all it takes. Open TikTok Shop, go to Growth, enter the App Store, search Zendrop, and if it's available, install and follow the on-screen instructions. Take your time with the permissions, keep your login credentials secure, and you'll be ready to leverage Zendrop within your TikTok Shop.